Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, if you wanna add a music to CapCut, you just click on the audio at the bottom. Click on it, and then in here you just click on a sound, this one, click on it, and then in here you just click on a three lights love icon in here, and then now you can see many song many music recommended from CapCut. You just click the song that you like, maybe this one. You just click this one. You just click on this one, click on it, and after this you can click a plus icon in here and finish. So that's how to add music to CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.